Hello and welcome back to another lovely episode of Deeras Way, where we make food our way, how we want to present it, how we want to eat the food. Okay, so today I'm gonna make something that I've made before, but I'm gonna do it a little different. I am making, drum roll, I am making avocado toast. But before we get into that, what do I always say? Go ahead and subscribe right here. That's where I'm gonna put it. Go ahead and subscribe. Okay, so today I'm making avocado toast, but I'm gonna do it a little different. I'm gonna use naan bread because I went to this Indian restaurant back in March and they had some fresh naan bread and it was just so good. It was so good. And I thought about, I was like, maybe I could just go there, get the bread and then make the toast, but then it was too far and I was like, I don't wanna do all that. So I just went to the store and got some naan bread. So, all right, next up, I'm gonna show you what I will be using for this, of course. Okay, all right. So first up, you need your naan bread. So I got this from Walmart. Of course, I didn't get the one from the restaurant like I wanted because it was too far and all that other stuff. Anyway, I got this naan bread. This came 4 in a pack. I'm already eating too. This came 4 in a pack. But you can get whichever one you want. So naan bread. Anyway, I've used this half of it already. But anyway, I have turkey sausage because that's what we're gonna be putting on top of it. Okay, all right, you need turkey sausage. Next up, you are going to need some pico. Why do we need pico? Oh my gosh. Yes, we're gonna put it on top of there, but we are making fresh, guacamole to put on there. I never buy guacamole from the grocery store because I'm like, I can make it myself. Why not? But anyway, you need your avocado, you need your pico for your fresh guacamole to make our avocado toast. Okay, next up, you need your your Parmesan cheese. I'm almost about out of it, but hey, you need your Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna actually add some stuff to it as I go, and you guys will see that in a minute. Okay, all right. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. I don't want to waste your time, Let's go ahead and get into it. Also, y'all, look at my t-shirt. It say National Geographic. I just thought it was so cute. I thought it was so cute. And on the back, it got like flowers and stuff. I forgot what else it say on the back, but I just got it. And I was like, oh, that is so nice. I don't know, that's just me. I just like stuff like that. All right, let's go ahead and get started.
I'm geek and I'm fired up. All I want tonight is just get higher. Damn, looks so good, it's to die for. It's to die for. No need to it's a secret society. All we ask is shine. All we got is
loyalty. Gone full Kenny now. My resume real enough for 2 millenniums. A better way to make a win, start defending them. I meditate and moderate all of my wins again. I'm hanging on the fence again. I'm always on your mind. I put my lyric and my lifeline on the line. And ain't no limit when I might shine, might grind. You rolling with it at the right now, right now. Only for the dollar sign.
Bad girl, with me now. Swerve, leaving now. On your plus like a CDM. Gas in the bitch like it's premium. Hard ass on the bitch, all in the fast lane. Been a bad bitch, but before in the cash game, I'm established. 100 carats, I'm my name.
Okay, y'all, so the turkey is done. Some of them got a little crispy edges, but that's how we know they done. All right, so let's move on to the next step.
When I leave them outside, ain't no other love like the one I know. I done been down so long, lost so. I done came down so hard, I slow. I done sleep forever, all a real nigga won't.
I said I'm geek and I'm fired up. All I want tonight is just get higher.
Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. Tenfold, no switching sides. Feel something wrong. You acting shifty, you don't vibe with me no more. I need loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. Tell me who you're loyal to. Is it money, is it fame, is it weed, is it drink? Is it coming down with the loud pipes in the rain? Big chillin' only for the power in your name. Tell me who you're loyal to. Is it love for the streets when the lights get dark? Is it unconditional when the robbery don't stop? Tell me when your loyalty is coming from the heart.
Tell me who you're loyal to. Do it start with your woman or your man? Do it end with your family, your friend? Or your loyalty is self-independence? I said, tell me who you're loyal to. Is it anybody that you would lie for? Anybody you would slide for? Anybody you would die for?
That's what it's not
I
for.
said I'm geek and I'm fired up. All I want tonight is just get higher.
All I want is loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. Tenfold, no switching sides.
Okay, so this is the fun part. So I just put my naan bread inside my toaster over here. And yeah, we're about to just make our toast, our naan. What am I calling this? I'm calling this non-avocado toast. It's not avocado, I don't know, non-avocado toast. Anyway, so of course we got our avocado right here, and then we have our other ingredients over here, and we're just about to build. So I'm going to start with the avocado, of course, guacamole, and I'm just going to put it on, spread it, and go from there.
You acting shifty, you don't vibe with me no more. I need loyalty, loyalty, loyalty. Loyalty, loyalty, loyalty.
It's so hard to be humble. It's so hard to be. Another day, baby.
Okay, y'all, here is the finished product. I know we started off looking all healthy, but we didn't add some meat on there. Now I don't look as healthy, but this is really good. This is really good. Y'all, of course, should go ahead and try it. And if you want to do the whole thing where you have, let me see. You know how people, they put parsley on everything. But if you want to do that, you can just see how it looks on one of them. Just to spruce it up just a bit. It looks nice. I mean, you can have one with or without. I'll do mine with both. I'll do both with mine. I don't know, it's flying everywhere. But anyway, this is perfect for breakfast, lunch, dinner. If you are on your whole health kick, this is perfect. This is good. It's amazing. All right, y'all, we are done. We are finished. We are complete. Y'all ready to see the project? Look at it. Look at it. A little closer. Let me bag up so I can be in the view. Okay. Yes, they turned out really nice. They really did turn out really nice. I can't wait to try them. Not as if I didn't already try one the other day. But anyway, yeah, they came out pretty nice. They came out pretty nice. Yummy, 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 yummy. Now, of course, I'm eating this for dinner tonight because, yeah, I'm eating this for dinner. Now, you can eat one of them, you can eat two of them, you can eat three, you can eat four, however many you want to eat. I'm just gonna eat two because I only had 2 more pieces of bread left. But anyway, yeah, they turned out nice. They look like little pizzas, which I really like. I really like. Y'all hear something? That is the washer. It's usually quiet, but it's like loud now. And now it's in the spinning cycle phase. But anyway, I'm gonna talk a little louder. But yeah, it turned out nice. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. All right, I'm about to go ahead and try one because I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Ooh. Y'all look at this. All right. Ready? Okay. Let me see. Y'all, I know I can try it like a pizza, but then I can fold it up too. I'm just gonna try it like a pizza. I'm gonna take a piece of meat. Ooh wee. Let me hurry up and get off camera so I can eat this, because when you're hungry, it's like you eat like nobody's watching. Okay? Thank y'all again for joining me on Deeras Way, where I make food my way. My way, how I want to make the food, how I want to present the food, because it's up to me, right? Right. You should do the same. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, I'm on Deeras Way at DEERAS_WAY. I need to build my little following up on there as well. So you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Deeras Way. All right, thank y'all again, and I will, hold on, let me ask y'all. How's everybody's summer going? I know summer just kicked off on the 21st, but how's it going? I hope it's going well. I hope that you are accomplishing all of your goals, all that good stuff. I don't know. I hope you are doing what you want to do. I hope you are having fun, enjoying family and friends, getting out, doing all of that fun stuff, because the weather is nice. The weather is hot, might I add. The weather is hot. But anyway, get out and enjoy it. Celebrate yourself. Celebrate whatever holiday that is coming up. Okay? Okay. All right. Anyway, I will see y'all next time. Bye.